What's up? Alright, so today, actually I wasn't even going to make a video on this, but figured heck, why not? So a while back I posted on Instagram, made some TIG tungsten holders. A tungsten holder. So basically it's just a little bit of chromoly, same chromoly used to make the bibster, and then it's got this thick round plate on the bottom. TIG'd it up, and it's a good way to keep spare tungsten. As you know, if you do any TIG welding, you go through tungsten. So I made a holder. So anyway, I was gonna show you how I did it. I'm gonna make another one, and then I figured I'd give it away. So if you want the one I make in this video, just put a comment in the comment section. I'll use some kind of random picker to pick some one. Heck, I might even make like 2 or 3 of them, and I'll pick 2 or 3 winners. So, nothing crazy special. Let's do this. I think we're good. Everything's welded up, TIG'd up with the new Magic Wave from Fronius. Man, that thing's like driving a Ferrari. Little special note on the bottom. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna seal these things. And like the first one I did, you can probably tell there's like a color difference. And that's because this has been basically soaked in shark hide. So I've used shark hide before on the channel. It's been a while. As a matter of fact, let me give you an update. For some of you longtime viewers, you remember this little experiment, little shark hide experiment I did. Basically I just masked off the Fab Forums and then just wiped some shark hide on there. Set it out in the rain for a couple months, and just some standard steel. You can see it's held up pretty well. And that one, I just wiped it on there. So like when you soak these, it actually does way better. The shark hide actually soaks into the metal and then dries, and that thing should never ever rust or have any issues. So that's what we're gonna do to these other two. I'll just take like a little container, pour some shark hide in there, I roll those things around, then I'll just set them out upside down, kind of let them drip dry, and they'll be ready to go. Ready for you. After I'm done, I always pour it back in the jug. This stuff is not cheap. It's like $50. $50 for this, so you don't want to waste any of it. Pour it all back in there. Use it for another day. Alright guys, there you go. My version of a tungsten holder. Little 1 5/8" chrome moly, some P&O. I don't know, what is that? 1/4 inch thick P&O on the bottom. Little shark hide. Good paperweight or good tungsten holder for life. So as I said, I'm gonna give these 2 away. If there's something you want, whether you just want a part of the bibster, this is the same chromoly I used to build the bibster, or you legitimately need a tungsten holder, just put a comment in the comment section and I'll use a randomizer. I'll pick 2 people, ship them to your door. As always, thank you for joining me. I'll see you guys some more this week. Go do work, son.